Hi everyone, my name is Bubba, and welcome to my art studio. This is where I like to create my art. Grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's draw some elephants today. Okay, so first we're gonna start with our big shapes of the elephant. We're gonna draw the head first. So we're gonna do a line like this, and then come all the way around, and stop at the bottom. We're gonna leave a little space right here for the trunk. So come on the other side, right there, and stop. We're gonna start about right here and come down for the trunk and back around. And we're gonna stop right there. Now to the other side, we're gonna come down and stop and close that shape off right there. Now we have a little trunk. Let's do the eyes of the elephant. So we're gonna come in and do that eye on this side and another round eye on this side. Perfect. We'll fill in the pupils, looking off to the side, because that always makes the elephant look a little bit more alive and dynamic. We're gonna add some eyelashes, like that. Now let's do the ears of the elephant. They're gonna come out and back in. Now on this other side, out and back in, just like that. Perfect. We'll add some eyebrows and some hair, and around for the body, this leg. Now the other leg on this side, around and back up. We'll do a line down here for the bottom. Now let's do the outside legs, because the elephant is sitting down. We'll put a line out there, around and in, and then around there for the leg. Now on the other side, we'll do a straight line, around for the foot, and another line to round off that foot. Perfect. Now let's add some details to the face. We'll add a little smile and some lines on the trunk. Just some little details around the face, some texture, and maybe some details in the ear. We'll finish off the details of the nails on the feet, and then a couple little details around the body, just like that. Some round dots and some lines, just to add some texture to the elephant. And there we have a cute little elephant. Good job. I'm so proud of you for following along. Now let's take a look at some real elephants. There are 3 different species of elephant: the African savanna elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. They have long trunks that help them eat and drink. Their trunks don't have any bones, but close to 40,000 muscles. Wow! Now that's a really strong nose. You can tell a lot about an elephant by their tusks. Elephant tusks never stop growing, so big tusks can mean an elephant is really old. Both male and female African elephants grow tusks, but only male Asian elephants grow them. An adult elephant without tusks is likely to be a female Asian elephant. It was so much fun learning about some real elephants. Now before you go, let's draw one more elephant. This time it might not be as cute as the last one, but it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be a little funny, okay? So let's grab our paper and our pencil and let's follow along. First, we're gonna start with our big shapes, just like last time. We're gonna do a head, just like this. And let's leave a little space down here because we're gonna draw the rest of the elephant's body. So we'll move back over onto this side and draw some squiggles for a trunk. We'll draw the end of the trunk and then a line down like this. We're gonna stop right there and we're gonna draw a little line for the smile. And we'll have the smile come back down this way. We'll have a line to close off the mouth, add a little tongue inside, and then fill that shape in. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to the body of the elephant. So let's come back here behind the head and we're gonna draw up and down around for the body and the back. So we draw up and down and around. Stop. We're gonna stop right here so we can add some legs to the elephant. Let's move back on this side and we'll draw underneath the chin 1 line, draw another one 2 lines, And then we're gonna come down for a leg. And then we're gonna come right next to it and draw another line down and stop. This line we're gonna do a rounded shape. And then another rounded shape on this side. And then back up right here. Perfect. Okay, so right from this line, we're gonna come over and stop right there for the tummy of the elephant. Let's do a line down and another line down and draw a rounded shape for a foot of the elephant back here. Let's do a line down and another rounded shape for the back foot. Perfect. So now let's move to the ears of the elephant. Back up here, we'll go like this and then do jagged lines back inside and we'll end right there. And then one in the back, curved line, and then jagged back. Perfect. Okay, now we have our big shapes of the elephant. Let's get inside the shapes of the elephant and draw the details. So let's move to the face first and we'll put a circle right here, right above the mouth, and another circle behind that one for the eyes. Let's do a couple lines under the eyes and some pupils looking to the side. Now let's add some eyebrows over those eyes. Perfect. Let's add a couple lines in the ear for ear details. And then a couple hairs on the head. Perfect. Some nails on the feet. Just some squiggly shapes. And a little tail in the back. Nice. Now, the last thing we're gonna do for our elephant, just add a couple little details. Some lines, some circles. Maybe a couple hairs on the back. And there we have an elephant. Good job. You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye. If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!